Hi guys, welcome to Beale Mountain Homestead. Today is going to be a compilation thrift haul and new purchases. Um, I've been busy. I have some things that I wanted to finish in this room, and so I went on Amazon and got a few things. Um, Jean and I went to Hobby Lobby last weekend, and I picked up quite a bit of stuff because they were having their 40 and 50% offs in all the right departments. So I picked up some things there. And then today I had to go over and pick up my sewing machine that I've had for 30 years. I finally decided to get it fixed since the big one also broke. So I stopped by 2 thrift stores and the Goodwill during that travels. So I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to try to go through everything kind of quickly. I'm not going to really say what DIYs or crafting I'm going to do yet. Some of them I might, some I just don't know what they're going to be for. I did buy a lot of small picture frames, like the 5x7s, the 4x6s. I did buy a longer frame. It has something in it that I'm not going to keep. I'm going to paint it and do something else with, but I'll show you all of that. And then as the DIYs happen, I will try to reference this video. One thing that I did get, or 2 things that I got at Hobby Lobby, I already have them on the wall. I'll have to turn around and show you. But where that architectural post was, I just wasn't feeling it. And I keep looking because I'm looking where it's at. But I bought a basket and a little architectural wall piece for that. So, and you have to excuse me, I've been a little under the weather this week. So, and it's nighttime, so I can wear my glasses so I can see what I'm doing. But so I'm going to show you everything I got. Oh, and Etsy, because I did get that other sheet in that has the floral print on it that matches that one right there. So, and it's pretty darn close. Now this is not 100% cotton. Actually, I think it's percale. I'm not sure, but it's vintage. So actually Gene said when he was a kid, he says, I'm pretty sure I had a pillowcase that looked just like that. So back in the day, moms used whatever they had. So anyways, that came so I can get sewing on that other window treatment so that I can get this room done and get a final tour of it. So that came, and then I ordered, let's see, some rice paper for decoupaging, and it's, I think it's from MK Studio. She sells Prima, so and that's what it looks like right there. So I thought I had ordered big enough to be able to go over that canvas that's above the armoire, the crafting armoire, but it's not, so I'm gonna have to figure out plan B for that. So that was all from Etsy. And then a lot of the crafting supplies that I bought, they're just for crafting as I'm going along. They may be for something for this room, but if not, I like the cottage style anyways. Oh, and while we're on the topic of the word cottage, so this whole time I've been gathering all these decorations through last year. I've had a lot of them because I was like decorating with florals. Actually, back in the 80s, what was that called? Home interiors. Do we remember home interiors with the mauve? Anyways, I had all of that business. And so I've always loved that. But when I was trying to get designs to do this gallery wall or just some inspiration, I noticed that there was a lot of current stuff. And okay, whatever, that's, there's got to be more than one person like me out in the world. Well, apparently, and this is me just not keeping up with trends or paying attention to trends, I just go by what I like. But cottagecore, anyways, it's a thing. It has been for a couple years now. But yeah, it's still in full swing, and it seems like I'm right on the trend with things. So that's good because I was going to do it anyways. And I like it because you can mix florals. So I really like that. And I am not a minimalist at all. I'm not a heavy maximalist, but pretty darn close. So anyways, a lot of the crafting things that I bought are just for future projects. That way I have them on hand now that I have a space. Actually, it's right behind this chair. Now that I have a space to do all of that. And hopefully that light right there does not go out. If you see the $10 rechargeable lights at Home Depot, They're slim. They pop in. Don't buy them. I have to charge the thing every day. So I'm going to use this tonight for a couple hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. I'll have to charge it tomorrow. So every time it's used for a few hours, that has to be charged the next day. So there's that. So I'm going to do Amazon first. None of this stuff is sponsored. I'm still not there yet, way from it. But you guys are liking my thrift haul videos and my DIY videos, so hopefully you will come back for more. I am going to be starting to move outside a little bit. I'll try to mix things up to keep those that like these types of videos going. But yeah, so I'm into cottagecore and didn't realize it was a thing. So I'm going to do Amazon first. And if anybody wants anything linked, just send me or post something in the comment and I will try to send you the link for it. So I picked up 2 of these wooden onlays, or inlays, I guess. They're going to go above the windows. I'm going to paint them like a dark sagey green and then white wax them. So those are going to go above the windows. Bought 2 of them because there's 2 windows in the room. And let's see, there's a lot of stuff, so I'm going to try to go through it pretty quick so this video is not that long. And then I've already opened this because I wanted to see all the goodies, but it's just a paper crafting kit. It's got some different craft papers, these stencils, these little tags, super cute. There's some that look like picture frames. And again, I'm going to kind of go through this kind of fast, but when I'm doing projects that involve these, I will try to reference this video. And then these little transfers. I think they're transfers. Yeah, they're little transfers. So that's super cute. And I'm going to make a mess as I set everything over to the side here. Now I'm going to do, oh, and one more thing from Amazon is this furniture size stencil. It's super cute, and it's this gold. And it's all of this right here. And I'm going to use it on that big canvas that's above the armoire. That's where that decoupage paper was supposed to go behind it and this in front of it. But I'm going to have to come up with plan B. But this is still going to be on top of there. Again, I will show you when I'm doing it. And I realize it's in reverse. So, but, yep. So that was from Amazon. Now I'm going to move on to Hobby Lobby. And I will show you the thing on the wall. When I get to it. So one thing that I needed was antique gold rim buff, so I got that. I'm going to do a cute little ruffle lace bow for a little vignette on something I'm going to change, so I wanted these, and then I didn't realize that these were always $1.99. I thought it was $7 and I didn't want to pay a whole bunch of $7. So now that I know that these are always $1.99, I'm going to go back and get the 2 or 3 others that I wanted. But I'll use those as little bling on the little lacy bows. But anyways, there's those. And let's see. Oh, I needed some pink satin ribbon because those curtain ties, oh, you can't see them, but they're a dark pink ribbon. And I think these were all 40% off. And this is a, oh, it's kind of like a velvet ribbon and it's taupe. It's really pretty. Sorry about the glare. Oh, let's see. I have a soft pink pastel, which I need to remember this because I just put a bunch of different ones in my Save for Later on Amazon, just so I have them on hand for like wrapping presents and such. And then some pretty lace. That's going to be part of that pretty ribbon. So the inspiration for these types of bows is Teresa over on Our Green Acres. She does them all the time. So I'm going to use one as a decor item with a few other things. So anyways, there's those. And let's see. I don't know if you can see behind me, and that's showing it way more blue because of the light, but here, this looks way better. So these were on 50% off, so I bought a bunch of them, and I kind of did like a makeshift wallpaper. They're just double-sided tape. That way, if I don't like them, I can take them down. It was like $2.50 to do that. Super cute. And then I have extras. I belong to, or I don't belong, but I participate occasionally in a seed swap over on Instagram. It's hashtag seed swap Wednesdays. And I like making my seed packets, so I like having these little papers to do that. And let's see, on that same note, oh, these are huge, but I got 2 huge of these paper books, the Paper Studios. So, I mean, it's so cute. These were 50% off. So they were like $10. Yeah, they were $10.50 or something like that. That's one. There's 2 of them. And then here's the second one. Super cute. Oh my gosh. And these like have the more like craft paper on the back. So these are adorable. They're both adorable. And I had bought one at a yard sale. No, Goodwill. And that was in one of my recent thrift hauls. So now I have 3 of these. So I have plenty. I also did just order some wrapping paper and some just generic tags that are kind of along the lines of the ones I got from Amazon. I just ordered those, and then a stencil from Amazon, and I'll show you guys when that comes, of kind of like a type. That way you can stencil like craft paper like in a large quantity, so that'll be cute. And then this cute little bust. I have her sitting in that little dish right there. Oops, where is it? That little dish right there. She's kind of shiny. I don't know if you can tell in there. She's kind of shiny. So I'm thinking, I'm not sure because I don't want to ruin her, is I might do the textured paint treatment and then do like a brown antiquing wax just to kind of age her up a little bit. But I'm kind of living with her right now, how she is, and she's not creepy, and I don't have her to where she looks at me. So I don't like the creepy ones, but she matches the white of that ironstone vase back there. And that's really vintage. That's been in either my family, I think it was Jean's, but anyways. So she's living back there for right now until I decide if I want to keep her this or darken her up a little bit. And I already had Jean do this for me, but bought this little glass knob. It was 50% off. And I had a hook on this, but I took the hook off just so that I had this piece of wood. And these 2 little holes is where the hook was. But I'm going to hang that little bow from it. So I'm not sure. It's kind of like an avocado green. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it that color green, but I had Jean attach that for me. So, and then it just hangs. I think I got this, at Kirkland's a long time ago. So it must have been on sale. I really don't pay full price for much unless I really, really, really want it and it's the only one. And I know I won't be back somewhere, then I get it. But, and then this super cute thing, it's I don't know if you can see how big it is, but, so it's pretty. It's what, 3 feet? Yeah, it's something like 3 feet. What's it say? Yeah, 29 by 33. So darn near 3 feet. But I have a bunch of butter pats. You can't see them. Oh, they're behind the chair. But I collect butter pats. So I usually keep them in the kitchen in a sewing machine drawer. So it's a 2-shelfer. And they usually sit on my kitchen windowsill. But I'm going to use them in here, and there's a vintage market coming up in a couple months, actually 2 of them, so I will pick up more then for that out there. But yeah, this is gonna go over by the closet. That'll be a little vignette that I'll show you when I put it up. So that is it from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to turn you around real quick and show you the thing on the wall, and then I'll put you back down. So hold on. So it's kind of dark, but that's kind of a really dark olive green distressed, and I got that hanging basket. I already had the florals, so I just put that there. Oh, and I got that little architectural little knob. So, and I realize how dark it is, but super cute. Yeah, that's where that architectural post was, and I think I had a candle sitting on top of it. Well, I didn't like the dimensions. Wasn't going for me. So when I saw this, Hobby Lobby has a section now called of gilded vintage. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had to stop. So anyways, I'm going to turn you back around. Hi guys, I was just editing this video really quick and I realized the whole last half of the video I didn't record. When you see me go up and push the button, I thought I was pushing play and I didn't. I was pushing stop. So I will make another video and put that up after this one. And it's a bunch of fun thrift store things that now I have to remember. I remember what they are. I still have them in a box. But anyways, I will now sign off on this video as to remember to always be kind. And thank you for subscribing and watching my videos. Again, I'm going to be doing a lot of back and forth between outside and inside. And I will try to include as many videos like this as I can. But remember to always be kind. Have a wonderful week or weekend. I'm going to try to actually get this up tonight so it shows tomorrow morning. And remember to do it always makes you happy, or do what makes you happy. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Bye.